Okay, so this is entering as if I were a guest. So usually the guests will park on the street, if not my driveway, and come in this way. So here's the overview of the living room. I like to keep things really neutral with a pop of blue there. And then making my way around in here, you can see a bedroom off to the side there. Again, an overview of the living room. It's funny, I have that TV there, but I have never plugged it in because I never watch TV out there. So it's really a placeholder. I need to purchase a new one. That one's awfully old, but it gets the job done. So I just have a few pieces here in my office space. Pretty simple, but I love the minimal look here with the clock as well. Making my way into the kitchen, I have a very easy to clean table here. With Allie being in a high chair, eventually I want a high top, but this will work for now. And we'll just leave it as is until she's a little bit less messy. So in here is just my laundry room, nothing too fancy, but it is nice to have a room in here and everything set up on the shelf there, storage up there as well. So making my way into the kitchen here, you can see there's lots of cabinet space, which I really love. Under cabinet lighting, which is really nice as well. And then just a few things out on my counter like the diffuser. Nothing too crazy, just all pretty functional overall. Always have a candle lit. One thing that I am very proud of is a super clean and decluttered fridge. I really like the way it looks when everything is in containers and just overall organized. But right now I think this is more indicative that I need to go grocery shopping. So right here is the front door. That is the door to the guest bathroom. The back door, and then that's Allie's room right there as well. Here is the door that I usually go into, so the garage here. Won't go too far in here, it's a little bit messy, but I have this really nice storage closet that is huge and it's really useful, lots of storage, which I really love, especially in an apartment because typically you don't have the storage space like that. So in here is Allison's room. I actually filmed this before she went to bed because it would just be easier that way. So she's presently sleeping. So I'm going to go ahead and flip into that clip from earlier. Okay, so making my way around her room here real quick. Again, not going to get too detailed. She's playing in the room as I'm recording this. But you can kind of see it's set up nicely here with the blackout curtains. She actually sleeps from 7 p.m. to about 8 a.m. So have to have it super cozy and get dark in here. So you can see her little crib set up here with her stuffed cow. It's a must. And her comfies there. But yeah, just a few things here. Separate toy bins as well, just spread throughout the room for her access. Helps me keep things tidy, and she helps to pick up her toys. And then organization in here as well for maximum usage. And then here is her dresser kind of display as well. And then everything tucked away neatly in here. So nothing too out of the ordinary, but I love the way it looks. Here's her little entryway as well. Okay, so this is Allison's bathroom slash kind of the guest bathroom as well, since it has 2 points of entry here, but super simple, nothing too crazy. And again, another little overview of her room here. I really love it, and it's a nice size for her. Okay, shifting back into the rest of the apartment, here is my bedroom. So I really wanted it to feel kind of just real cozy and neutral, but also still just really warm and inviting. So you can see this is where I actually watch TV, definitely in my bed all of the time. And this is actually an IKEA dresser that I put custom knobs on to match the gold accents a little bit better. But moving into my bathroom here, it's nice with the like Jack and Jill sinks and my setup here with my perfumes, and I keep my jewelry in that little like marble trinket tray. Lots of white and gold everywhere. I love it. Shower is simple. I just manually added those shelves in the shower head. So here's my closet, which I have full to the max. I keep a lot of my shoes kind of on the racks on the middle and purses on the top, shoes on the floor as well in storage units. And then also this shelf for kind of my more used heels. And then here's going back into the bathroom, back into the master, and then kind of taking you back around into the main area of the apartment again. So now you have a pretty good idea. The space is really just perfect for Allison and I, and I feel like it's very cozy and welcoming. So I'm very happy with the way everything turned out. And that's everything, y'all. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see y'all next time.